Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make 4 square sheets of papers from a single square paper. So here I have a square paper. I'm going to fold it once like this, bringing two sides from the top and bottom together and make a nice crease there. You'll get a rectangle. Okay, now again fold again this rectangle once, then you will see the shape of a square. Make nice crease to the folds that you have made and then separate these papers from the folds. Okay, like this. And for your surprise, you will get 4 equal sized square papers. See, 4 square papers equal in size from one single sheet of square paper. Thank you very much.